me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Right now vlog world with day here. I just come back from the supermarket. We go buy a whole heap of something. I go buy some swimmerone because nice them never consume swimmerone cooked down in a coconut milk with pumpkin, crackers and okra and all them some days. So me about to deal with that and make them get this in my father business of father. You know what I mean? Nice look I can live out there. So nice sick. So nice and move slow, you know. You have soup. Everything. Man come on vacation, come sick.
3 days before the birthday.
3 days before his birthday. He got a pool yesterday. Never suck up in head with alcohol. You know when you come out of that pool, you ever suck up in mole with alcohol. Oh yeah boy. Orange juice.
You have to.
And smoothie.
Some soup about that.
And some pea soup.
And some patty.
Wow. Yeah, you know, I gotta boost up the immune system real quick.
How we are doing so much on this?
Some emergency. Some third flu. I'm not trying to be sick Saturday, bro. That's my birthday, bro.
Saturday birthday. This birthday I buy 16 different medicine from Haas, Vicks, and Mucinex. So you must do from last night.
You were popping from last night.
From last night, I try to do this. So, right now, I'm about to prepare some swimmerone as I said to you before. Yeah, we just jump right into it. Mad move. So right now, I make sure prep everything before I put on the pot. I put 2 swimmers in this, 2 swimmers in this. So far, we only have coconut milk, okra, pumpkin, carrot, and noodle. I do pumpkin noodle, scallion, thyme, and pepper. That's all in this. Same thing for this, that's all in this. When they are cooked down now, all we are going to do, I just put in with swimmerone to just steam down. And that's it. Throw this on the stove now. And when this cook down, swimmerone go in there. And we're good. Yeah. We're good down. So pot for your bubble man. You do everything to get rid of it. Right now, all me I gotta do is just wash them off with some vinegar, slice them up, put some all-purpose season over them, throw them in a pot when it's ready. I'm gonna just drop in my swimmers right now. I'm about to throw in 2 crackers, cover the pot and make them steam. Alright. Just add in my crackers. So I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah. Pot soon ready. Over here so I go on over here so yeah. Sorry. So right now swimmers are cooked. Soon done cooked so far. I put in everything. The last thing I just add in like a while make crackers, so while they steam, everything are done within like 10 minutes. Food done, and you don't know some I want that. Steamed fish cooked down in a coconut milk with carrot, okra, and pumpkin, and noodle with some, you know, crackers. And you have big one right here, and you have a nice one right here. Then plate small, so it looks so. My plate big. For how we gonna consume this material. Full time, turn on the light. Full time. Remember me have to look up here again. You know. Somebody said, I need to buy one little table. I need to buy one little table for you. Now look into it. Carrot first. We now wait. We now laugh for the road. You already know some 6 that. Pumpkin. Everything is 6. I don't even know at this point why me even bother because 6. Fish is so delicious. Swimmers. Give the crackers a go. It's A1. It's A1, guys. Oh, I forgot to taste the okra. Let's give the okra a go. I died and come back. But not lie, I'm pumpkin about. Consume some more, swim around. Piece of carrot too. I know me make hungry right now, so guess what? I'm going to consume the food and then come back. Because I'm about to get ready for go to the mall, because we got the mall tonight. Because it's night now, but yeah, I'm going to come back, so up it in. I just want to say happy birthday to Javier. Javier, big up yourself when you heard strong. Enough blessings and all of them something for forward. Who know Javier and Malika nephew. Me I go put a clip right now and show you who's Javier. Javier are the one where always I watch me video them and I vlog on him someday. The video me about to play and my sister find it in her phone. Javier just take up her phone and did a vlog and she send it to me. That's why I wanted to see me add it to the vlog. But Javier birthday today, so big up yourself. I think he might turn 3 today or 4. Don't remember too much of them. In all me have like 25 nieces and nephews together. Like 25 and I not lie to them. But you know what I mean? Today Javier birthday, so blessings and respect again. Cause Javier always watch your vlog, so I know you watch this. So Javier, happy birthday, big up yourself, continue. Remember, do not skip the ads. That's how you get burgers every day. I'm gonna send you some burger today or some things. Whatever you want, just link me and let me know. You know what I mean? So, me there again, happy birthday, blessings and respect. Up at the mad move.
I'm over here. So right now, I'm at my bed. Right now, I'm over here. I'm chilling, getting fan over here. What? Sunny eye.
So vlog world right now, we're there. We're there, Sawgrass Mall, bigs and nice over there, so. We just a walk through here now. Belly full, just consume food. And bathe and put on some clothes and so we're going to touch the mall. The mall actually unlock in like 30 minutes, so we're there, a nice sick out same way. The man around this half run down around from cold. Not the mall, but everywhere lock up, so we reach late. What we have to go do? I just forward back out here tomorrow and see what can go on. You know what I mean? Yeah. So vlog world right now we're there. Florida me there, I mean pull over all of them something. I'm sick, so I try to sweat out the flow. Big's right there, you know what I mean? You have Bourbon in the building. Real producer, real artist. You know what I mean? And then you have this little sick one right here. His name is Sicky. 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 You're nice. Where you hide the weed? Where you put the weed, bro? Where you put the weed, bro? Right. That can't go on. Right, so. Right, so. Watch out.
I see him place there.
Tire in there. Who take the tire here? No most nice. And you see why I put it? Right, so. I think tire no. Then a band that was a store. What name? Tylenol.
Tylenol.
What name?
Tylenol.
What name, Bourbon? Tylenol. Tylenol. He named Tylenol. The woman they pull up on big, so they look on her. Follow up on Instagram.
Come out there from this.
Without ear.
Without fear.
But we go get some food and now on a controller.
Yeah,
so
tell them
we
we
can
have to
play
feed
some
you.
FIFA.
Yeah.
Like say, she must give me 6.
That's a 6. It's a laugh.
Yes, yeah.
It makes a laugh down.
Come here like
For real?
just a forward.
No, but you can't grow because you can't see so your name did already. I just you feel if it make it grow. Nice way you say beard gang. Big Zabiat gang, watch ya!
Come back in.
Yeah, dog.
Only winter time.
What?
Boy, so in the winter time.
Only in the winter time, yeah, nice. Nice and same too.
It only goes buried in November.
Yeah. When they say no shape November, a nice dog.
Yeah.
So right now, as Bourbon tell you now, we are gonna buy a controller to play some FIFA and buy some food in the morning here. So yeah, we're there. Up it. We just gotta edit the vlog and put it up so I get it. So blessings and respect for forward and sitting there. I watch the vlog here. Javier, remember happy birthday. Nice, Javier birthday.
Happy birthday, my lead brother, brother.
Yeah. Nice birthday in a couple of days. But Javier, big up yourself again for your earth song. May I upload this so you can get this and just start vlog again.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some